What's up guys, it's Sandman here and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to cook up some bomb ass steak, sous vide style. Alright, we have here some steak or just your tri-tip cuts. I got these pretty cheap at my local supermarket for $3.99 a pound untrimmed. I keep it untrimmed because I love the fat. As you can see, has some good marbling on here. Just season it with a little bit of garlic salt, some black pepper. Make sure you get both sides. Alright, you just gotta vacuum seal it. Just like that. Seasoned and vacuum sealed. Alright, now that the water's warm, let's go ahead and put our steak in the pot here. We're going to cook the steak at 129 degrees for 2 hours. Cooking like this, it's almost impossible to overcook your steak. Two hours later. Alright, now that we're ready, let's cut it open. That's how it looks like. What I like to do is take a piece of paper towel, pat it dry a little bit, just lightly on both sides. Just like that. Alright, start up a pan, put it on high heat, just toss it in. Just a quick sear on both sides. Just like that. Just look at that. Wow. Perfect cuts. See that? Behold the perfect steak, sous vide. Wow, looks amazing, right? Just look at that. Top it off with my favorite sauce. Just like that. The perfect steak, sous vide. Just look at that. Wow. Amazing cut of meat.